Hi guys, it's Friday, which means it's time for my Friday favorites, my favorite day of the week. Lots to share with you this week, had a lot of great deliveries. I'm going to start with this amazing cotton outfit. I am in love with this. This is certainly one of my faves. It's in a beautiful cotton material, very breathable, very giveable, adorable lavender color with a matching coordinated top. Really, really cute together. I love this with a little sneaker. Or the beauty of this is you can actually dress it up as well and wear a cute summer sandal, which would look great. Separate together, again, same option. Comes in two colors, this beautiful lavender and this gorgeous oatmeal color. For those who aren't into color yet and want to stay kind of neutral, this is really beautiful. And it's a beautiful tone of oatmeal because it has no yellow in it. It's really, really clean looking. I love this with like a woodsy looking sandal. It's really amazing. My next picks are my new jeans. Very excited about the new jeans. Very stretchy, and yes, I am doing white. This gorgeous weather has motivated me, and I will give you a piece of advice. Whoever's interested in great white jeans, message me and come in quickly because they go very fast. These are a beautiful stretch, a great waist, can be worn rolled like I showed, which is really cute, kind of capri looking, or straight. They're like a short ankle, fantastic. Good pockets on the bum, so they're very flattering. And the best thing about this white, which is hard to find, they are not sheer in any way, so you will not see things through them, which is really important in white because you don't want the creasing at the knee and the creasing in the back. So this is a really beautiful fit for a white jean. Very crisp, very cotton. I also got these new jeans, which I love. They're straight until the bottom where they flare a bit, and they're ankle length, and they're really, really comfortable. Again, amazing stretch, same company. Fabulous look, very basic, little tears on the knee, but that flare at the bottom is adorable. Great look for the spring and the summer. I am wearing these new t-shirts, which I love. They come in a variety of colors. They are thin, breathable, really, really comfortable. A great layer piece or alone with jeans like I'm wearing, or a little jacket, or just with a pair of shorts. This oatmeal color, again, really fresh and easy. White, because everybody loves white in the summer, nothing like it. Yellow, sunshine yellow, very big this spring. So pretty, so flattering, and it's a happy color. And then of course the pink like I'm wearing, I paired it with gray and black. I like that combination, but it's great with denim as well. So now we're going to move on to my faves, my absolute faves of the week. I received my neoprene purse order and I am in love. This one is woven neoprene. I absolutely love this. It can be worn as a wristlet. It can be worn with a canvas strap, or it has a chain strap as well. It's a beautiful bag, small enough to be small, big enough to actually hold enough items. The other woven is this fabulous tote. I'm in love with these. I'm for sure taking one of these. I have this in a few colors. This pink, and in black, so it's great pieces. And inside comes a small woven piece, so you can put your phone, your wallet, or things that you don't want just rolling around. But it's a beautiful bag, not heavy. Looks leather, but it's woven neoprene, which is really quite incredible. The bag I'm wearing also comes in black and comes in this gray, so you have choices. Straps with these purses, this company's incredible this way. They give you multiple straps. So there's this fun strap for those who like this astic look, or there's a solid strap that will coordinate with this if you're a little more conservative, which is really, really great. The next style is this one, which is an amazing bag. Love this pink, by the way. Again, fave of mine. These could be crossed over, worn on your shoulder, or even worn at your waist. So there's 3 ways to wear this purse. It has a double zip on top, lots of space, and the most adorable patterns. And they're lightweight, washable, waterproof, incredible. The last style is the Messenger, which is a tried and true classic. Love it in the camo. I think it's so cool with the stripe. Very cool with the striped strap. If you don't want the striped strap, like I said, there's a solid strap if it's too much for you. But these bags are amazing. Outside zipper, great for your phone and your keys. Inside zippers as well. Lightweight, beautiful. I love them worn crossover, and they come in a few different patterns. So they're really, really cute. And all of these are neoprene, which means they're washable, which means they're waterproof. Really convenient for the spring and the summer. So that's it for this week. Anything you need, you can find at boutiquedeauville.com. You can DM me, you can message me, you can call me, you can come in. It would be amazing. We could send to you. We can curbside as we always do. Whatever works for you, I'd love to see you. Have a wonderful weekend. It's supposed to be beautiful. A little rain tomorrow. It's supposed to be beautiful the rest of the weekend. Enjoy the gorgeous weather. Thank you so much.